Alright friends, so we just did a backwater valve. Oscar, would you show how it works? Can you open it? This one? This is for preventing the rodents, the city water coming to your house. There is a clamp here, you can see. Opens one way, would not open the other way. Thank you. It prevents anything coming from the house. In case if you need a good contractor in California, Oscar is a very good contractor, does almost everything. Oscar, was it hard job? Was it hard?
Digging.
Yeah, digging is the hardest part.
Yeah, and connect the pipes, you know. Too, but healthy have the tricky.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, checking out the candidate for the flip. You can see beautiful neighborhood with an awesome lake. Let's go inside. Not much to see inside because it's dark, but I'll still try to show you whatever I can. Couple lock boxes here. All right, so this is the flip candidate. The living room, nice high ceilings. The living room is obviously in horrible condition. It smells like a mice, but it's not a biggie actually. This is a kitchen, has some kind of a backyard, but it's not actually a backyard, it's a middle yard, I want to say. The kitchen needs to be totally renovated. This obviously goes, I don't know if you guys can see it here. There's little shelves here, like a 70s style kitchen. This wall have to go. And there's another wall right here, which is, these two walls would go. This could be turned to the room, or it could be, it is actually, yeah, it was a room actually. Used to be a room here. Another room is here, super dark, I know. This is a master bedroom. Another wall that needs to be gone. Oh no, actually this is a wall to the, wow, we have lights here, cool. This is like a closet, master bathroom. Double vanity. Well, doing the flips, it's really important to know what you have to change and what you keep. So this is a good granite, it could stay. You need to really change that. Obviously, the walls, the flooring. No lights in this room. I think this room actually looks like an addition. It does look like an addition. There are two ways. Either you can make a room here, which would be a bigger room, or you can make room here. I would make a room here and just move on. This is pretty much it, guys.